is our second method of preparing granola at home. First of all, I'm going to go in with my oats. This is 2 cups of oats, and this is my dried fruit and seed. So this is my banana. I've already cut it into pieces. This is my roasted almond. This is my walnut. This is my pecan seed, and this is my cashewnut. I'll just pour everything together here. I'll go in and measure in my sunflower seed. I'm going to measure 1/4 cup of sunflower seed. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until it is well incorporated. I'll go ahead and mix everything together. So this second method and the first method, they are the same thing in terms of mixing your oats, dry seed and dry fruits. But the difference is when you add the honey, the oil and the vanilla. That vanilla is optional. So the first one, remember the first one, I pour in the honey, the oil and the vanilla and mix everything together. But in this second one, I will be heating up my oil, my honey, then pour it inside and mix it together. Do you understand? We'll be heating up our honey and our oil before pouring it inside the oats. I'll be using coconut oil instead of the almond oil. Remember the first one I used almond oil, then the second one I'll be using coconut oil. This is 1/2 cup of coconut oil, so I'll put it in straight up into the pot. So I'll go ahead and turn it until it dissolves. So as it is dissolving, I'll go in with my honey. This is 1/2 cup of honey. So you can go ahead and turn off your lights. Then turn it very well until it is well mixed. At this time, we can add our vanilla flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Then turn it until everything is well mixed together. After incorporating everything together, we are going to get our pan, line it with the baking sheet and transfer this mixture into it. Spread it. After that, it's ready to be transferred into the oven. Guys, you need to see the smell. I love the smell I'm perceiving, like After spreading it, our granola is now ready to be transferred into the oven. Remember I said on the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, then put in your granola. This is how it looks like. We are going to transfer this into our oven right now. The first method and the second method, we use oven. Like I said, I'll be making a separate video for the third method. You can use, you can do it on your stove, you can do it on your gas. Is that okay? So guys, having on my oven, I will transferring this into my oven. So guys, this is what it looks like in the next, this is like in 11 minutes time. So I think we'll finally end up doing leaving it in oven more than 50 minutes. So as you are timing it, be turning it, because if you did not turn it, one part is going to burn. Then return it back to the oven. It's my second method, the one I have to heat the oil and the honey before I add it. So I'm going to go on and separate it. Can you hear how crunchy it is? So this is our second method, how it looks like. At this junction, I'll go ahead and add my raisin. I'll add this of mixed fruit. I'm going to measure, this is half a cup. I'll just add it to this one. Mix everything together. See how crunchy this is? Can you hear that? So I'll set this aside to continue to cool. So guys, our granola is now cool. Can you see how crunchy it is? Oh my god. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? So this is the first method. This method, I use the almond oil and the honey together, mixed everything together. Why this is the preheated one? So guys, you need to see how crunchy is it. Can you see it? Can you hear it? So you can use this, your granola, for your parfait. You can use it to enjoy your ice cream. So guys, so this is my yogurt and my granola. See how beautiful it's looking. So guys, you can go ahead and package your granola in an airtight container. This can last for 1 month for you. This is more richer than the granola I used to buy outside. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of videos in stock. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video on the third method on how you can prepare your granola at home using stove and gas. Bye bye.